We're now going to learn how to get the items as an iterable. So we're going to use the items method. So all of these methods that we've just seen, keys, values, items, should make sense. So let's take a look at one of our dictionaries. So this letters dictionary, right? It has 4 items. So we've kind of worked with each of these individually, like, using the key to get the value, just looking at the keys, just getting the values. Well, you can get the entire item one at a time, so you can iterate through it. So the way to do this is with if you just press tab, you can see here, there's not too many dictionary methods. Here's the items method. So let's call this method. And what will happen is that it'll return each one as this iterable as a tuple of items. So you can see that. So you can now get the entire item. You still can't access it like this. You can't just get the first item. That's a little unfortunate. I wish you could, but you can't. The way to get the items is to do a for loop. So we can iterate through the items. And now I'll just print them out on the screen for now. So here's the first item, second item, third item, fourth, and fifth. So that's how you can get the items as an iterable, so you can iterate through them. It is with this items method. So this is actually a very common way to iterate through a dictionary, is like this, because a lot of times you want both the key and the item, not just the key or the item. So we'll see more of this later on in a more practical application. But that is how you get the items from a dictionary as an iterable.